Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. So before we start, let me introduce my name first. I am Mylene Ismail. You can call me Mom Mai for short. So before we start, let me read the prayer first. So check your attendance. So the page we discuss is about internet pragmatics. So when you see internet pragmatics, it means in how social media, especially twins, change the way people communicate online internet. And pragmatics is the study of how people use language and communication on the internet. It focusing on how meaning is created in online conversation, social media, posts, chat, comment, and digital internet. Unlike face-to-face communication online, define hobby in writing. So, between online communication and face-to-face. Siyempre, para kata nyo, mas better in face-to-face. Kasi, bang poor internet, sometimes, di kita nyo maka-join because of poor internet siya. So, ang kana nga, yung pagkahiban kanya, mas better in face-to-face than online class. Because, online online class, if bang mahiwak pa yung haway nyo, di ka mo ito makapag yung cake. Kasi ma-distract ka sin halambay nyo. So, ito yung pinagkaiban sin face to face. So, in online class naman is about so this is because of this promo, Twitter was mainly used like an online daily where people share details about their everyday life. Communication was centered on the individual person interactivities. So syempre, on naman Facebook. So makapag-communicate na kawadukaing, bisan ka how no, biyara ka mo sin nag-face to face, kikita niyo sibu-sibu. Kasi on na video call, kikita mo na siya, kikita niya na kao. So, ito na yung pinagkaiban mo kung sindunahan, amon mayroon pa mga gadget, very way pa internet, mauni talaga hanggang call na lang sila. So, this transformation changed Twitter from a person's social network site into a global communication platform. Ordinary people could now report even in real time, even before television, news channel, or newspaper. So, inakaw na ito is at TV lang sila makibalita, kung pausin, although on na po, pero kung bakit ausin ni, pero akuan lang sila, Twitter become user during this emergency. Dyaryo lang sila magkita, biya mga katas yon, diba? Pakakita ka mga TV, so biya to siya mga dyaryo, pagkitaon sin kay na niya, dito lang sila makabilita about sa mga news, diba? Kaya nga tanyo din. So, for example, people might speak differently online that they do in real life. Some use like, look, or emoji to express emotion. Other may present different identity online depending on the audience. So, inini is amon biya makashare din ka about mga sa pama ay sticker aman emoji mag-type ka emoji. So magkuan lang kasi ni emoji mo mga happy kay nga tan na in-express mo happy ka and then mga lonely ang sticker lonely ka kay express mo na ito yung kuan mo and yan na mo unubyan ni nakuan mo na ito. So internet pragmatic is important because it helps us understanding how digital communication shape social media. So platform influence how people think, speak, react, and connect with others. The language used online can spread information quickly, create social media movement, influence opinion, and even affect culture and politics. So ito. So in conclusion, the topic that social media, especially Twitter, changed online communication path, a simply shaped language that changed from what are you doing to what happening. So, ito is to move by yung personal update. So, ito lang yung kanya. So, and, that's all.